Hello all. If you didn't watch my previous video for API calling, do head over the link because we are now doing the search feature in this application. So as you see here, the layout is not much so attractive to look, and the available search icon up on the upper side of this list. We have to build it on. So let's start for the beginning. Let's do the first of all the circular progress bar to look it neat. So I'm using a show empty variable if data is empty from your side of the API. So just make sure your logical understanding will be clear now. So with show empty, I'm using the set state. Inside the set state, let's if the post list is empty, then you have to make sure the show empty will be true. Okay. So I'm returning the logic. We have to bind it in the layout also. Rather show empty is false. So now let's make it first of all the list view scrollable. Okay, we didn't use the scroll bar. We should show the scroll bar as well. Show empty I'm using now. If show empty is true, then just show the text no data available. Okay. That's it. I'm just removing a warning by using const. Okay, so if show data is empty, then no data available, or you have to make sure that if this post list is empty, then just show the uh, progress indicator. Okay, so we have the widget of the server progress indicator. You can make it also the color and what are the features you have in the progress bar. Okay, so I'm just using the format. Okay, so it is formatted. So now if you see, I just restart the application. So you should see the progress is coming and the scroll bar is visible now. Okay, so it is done for now. Okay, so let's have the search control feature now. I'm just cutting this layout. Okay, so get post, if you remember this service, we are getting the API from this. Build post will be the function. I'm just passing the list of same get post model, same post list comma index, because the you have the list view index, right? And it's type of a widget, so it is a type of widget, so we have to return something that I have cut it on. Okay, the container basically. So remove the warnings. That's it. So this is all about uh, the creating the same widget for the search filter as well as what you so called the API. Okay, build post, the post list and the index. That's it. So right now if I control save, it works all same. Okay, nothing changes, just we have to make the function of this. Okay, so let's have the variables. Okay, I'm using filter on off, making it false initially. Okay, speed is fast. So text editing controller for the with the search. Okay, search controller can either create it or directly pass the value as you wish, but I am creating the controller, right? So create on off and the search controller. Just make sure you have to use the column right now for visibling the search. Okay, or either you can make it this app bar as a search. Okay, I'm using first of all the column. Okay, center. Okay, this one, the column. Okay, correct. Okay, if you see here, the column will be right here. a bit wrong. Okay, so I'm using the column right here. So inside the post list, because we have to make a text field, right? Just make sure it will be expanded as well. Data available. Oh, sorry. So this will be a column, right? Correct. So this will be a column, and the widget is like expanded. Why expanded? Because you have to give the size instead of the expanded. Okay. So text field, if you remember this widget, it have the numerous options to make it the first of all the controller that we have declared such controller. The on change function is also there, so that we have to return logic inside there. First let's build the text field. Okay, decoration, input decoration. You might have a hint right here. Yep, search something, search here, and let's have the border, outline input border, making a radius of 4, let's say. Okay, so all good now, and yep, so I'm control saving this. So you might see the search bar at the top of the list, and I'm making sure the padding of this and the size box, height of it. So now the warning. Okay, that's it. So I added the padding, not the border. So now on change function, if you see, if we search right here, the list will be filtered be out. Okay, so let's have the function of the type of void, let's say, and the function name will be on search of post. On search post, let's have the function. Okay, now first of all let's make it a list of filter post list, right? Because we have to use another list, we can't use this list directly. Okay, otherwise your data will be gone. Okay, so just make sure that another will be clear before searching. Okay, it may contain some of the elements right before. If this filter post is empty, let's make sure this filter on off is false. If it is empty, okay, if it is not empty, then filter on off will be true. Okay, for the UI part I'm saying this, where we have to get the variable, that's why. Okay, if it is true, then we have to make this variable some the whatever you are searching, it will be directly stored in this variable. Okay, the list, same list. So just make sure you remember this line next time. Every list have the where condition. So if you remember this where condition, what element you are searching, it is like a where condition of which element you have to search. Okay, where element dot, you have to make the title searchable, title dot to lowercase. Okay, why lowercase? Either lowercase or uppercase. Yeah, you have to get the title. Okay, the post list. Okay, wait 1 second. Post list dot where, if that element is equal to the search controller text. Just make sure it will be on lowercase also, and the main part is the to list. Okay, because it's list type. So this will be in exclamation mark, or you directly make a to string, nothing out. So this line will indicate the what you have searched within the post list. It will be filtered out and get to the filter post list. Okay, that's it for the function. It's making set state because we have to refresh the UI. Okay, that's it for the function. I'm just copying it and just paste it in the text field, right? On change value, just getting the syntax of this search post list. Either you can pass the value, use the controller. Okay, it's your completely your wish. So it will not work until you get the UI. Okay, just I return the post list of the list view, but you have to make another list view for this filter list. Okay, so scroll filter on off. Basically we have to use, suppose list is empty, just here let's have the filter on off. So if filter is on, okay, just copying this text to scroll bar, that's it. So if filter is on, then we have to show filter post list. If it is empty, then you can either show a progress indicator, but using no data available because it is empty. Okay, no data available. Either it will be going. Okay, if you use the circular progress part. Okay, so filter post list if filter is on. Just make sure this line will be clear to you. Okay, so that's it. I think it would work now. Okay, let's restart. So yep, circular progress working, all the list is coming. Then let's say some more the provident. Okay, the search icon is not coming right now, so let's make it. So provident, it is not searching as well. Let's see why it is not searching. So first let's make it the searchable. The text field, we should have the text input action, of search. Okay, this will get the icon of the search. So the problem was in the filter post list is empty, as yep, we have to call the search controller if it is empty, right? In this way the search controller dot is empty will work. Now if it is empty, then false, then make it true. That's it. So let's search provident. So if you see here, all the titles containing provide will available. If I type a, no data available. Okay, so let's remove this search. So working. So the search is working right now, as you see. Yep, all correct. So you can search within the titles of the list. Okay, so hope it helps, the search feature for the flutter guys, and yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any doubt, and make sure this whatever I written will clear to you. Okay, the layout conditions and show empty, filter on off. If this filter is empty, show data, no data available, then show this data. Okay, so yeah, thank you. This code will be available in the description, the GitHub source code. Okay, so head over to the link if you want this source code. Okay, so yeah, thanks.